My cat stuff, part 1. Here's Midnight. This is his hat with all his like small toys in it. Some of them aren't in there right this second because I don't know. Some of them some of them got lost. Some of them he just plays with. So first we're gonna take all of these little things in there. Them plastic things that he plays with. Came with this one of his his catnip toys. They always come with the catnip toys in here. So we're just gonna stack them up like this. Bam, perfect, done. We're gonna get his hair tie and wrap it around his laser. And I'll organize this other thing too. And now, look at how much neater that is. Neat, right? And then he plays with this thing. We're just gonna fold it like this. I'm gonna go get the head real quick. There's the head right there. So, yeah, let's get into it. So, now that I got his head, now some of his small toys are in this head because of the fact, I don't know, but they just are. Guys, don't worry, he has a lot more toys downstairs. A lot of them are just downstairs. Here's one of his cat teasers. I'll do a playing with my cat video later on, but look at him. He's like, what is that? Okay. Well, as you guys can see, these are completely untangled like they were tangled. This is, you can't really do anything about the tangles in this, just from him playing with it, but straightened it out a little bit like this. Then we're just going to lay it down up there. And we got this one straight, and we're just going to go like this to it. And we're just going to lay it down next to it. And we're just going to keep doing the same things over and over again. Okay, so right now that's done. So, we're about to get into it. And now, see this ball, it talks. It goes into this. Goes into this, but I'm going to let him play with that ball. Here, honey. That was my cat's ear. And I'm showing you what it's in here. There's this toy right here. We're just gonna lay it right there. The other toys, I'll show you the toys when I'm done. We have this. Smell it, good. Now we can put that in the hat as well. This will be in there too. We have this. There's one of his feathers. anyways, I made this homemade out of I think it was with what's the name of them things again? It's like them. Now, see, he's trying to take it. What's it called? Them things. Pipe cleaners. We got this ball, this toy still, and then we got this toy. I'm gonna give it this one. Play with now. And yeah, that's all. These are what we put in here, and these are what we put in here. Oh, and there's the cat scissors and stuff. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these in. I only picked up 2, and we're just gonna place them in here nicely like that. Then we put the hat right at the top. And we put this over here. Okay guys, so I'm gonna stop this video and then I'm gonna do a stuffed animal review, and then I'm gonna do some drawing videos. So I love you guys so much. I'll make sure to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.